Good morning, students. Students, let's continue our active and passive voice. And today we shall discuss how to change the modal auxiliaries into passive voice. Right. So I have mentioned verbs followed by modals. Remember, students, that your modals are can, could, may, might, will, shall, etc. These are your modals. When you will change them into passive, you know it very well that either your subject is singular or plural, the modal will remain same. And when you will change them into passive, you are to use be with the modal auxiliaries, be form. Because without be form, you cannot change any of the tense into passive. Right? For example, I can lift this box. I, subject, can, modal auxiliary, lift, first form of verb, this box, object. So the active voice structure is subject plus modal auxiliary plus first form of verb plus object. Now when you will change it into passive, the new structure will be new subject plus modal auxiliary plus be verb plus third form of verb, right? Because after be we use third form of verb, and moreover in passive voice we are to use only and only third form of verb. Then before you change the subject into new object in passive voice, before that we are to use by and then new object. I have given you the example. I can lift this heavy box. I can lift this box. So now the passive voice will be this box, modal will remain the same. This box can be third form of lift, lifted by me. Right? I will change into me because it is used here as new object, and we are to use objective case. So I, subjective case, my, possessive adjective, mine, possessive pronoun, and me, objective case, So the box can be lifted by me. Remember, any of the modal can come, but you are to use be with that. Right? In this way, you will change the modal auxiliaries into passive. Is it clear? For that, I will send you some active voice also. You are to change them into passive. Now further, we are going to discuss how to change imperative sentences into passive voice. How to change imperative sentences into passive voice. First of all, students, you must know about imperative sentences. Which are imperative sentences? The sentences, either you can say, which usually start with main verb, okay, or the sentences in which you request someone, you advise someone, or you order someone. Okay, again I am repeating, imperative sentences which starts with what? Start with main verb. Okay, and in these sentences we express what? We give we request someone, we give advise someone, or we order someone. So active voice structure will be verb plus object. Is it clear? Verb plus object. And when you will change it into passive, either you can change with let, or you can go with you are requested to, you are advised to, or you are ordered to. You are to see the sentence. You are to understand what has been expressed. Either order is there, request is there, or advise is there. For example, first see the structure. As I told you, verb plus object, that will be the structure of active voice. and passive voice structure will be let plus new object, the object which is in passive, then be, or if it is negative then not be, and then third form of verb. For example, close the window, close the window. So if I say let, now object is the window, it will come here, let the window, then we have to use be, and then third form of verb closed, let the window be closed. Or if I am asking someone, close the window, see my tone, close the window, it means I am giving order to that fellow, and I would say you are ordered to close the window, you are ordered to close the window. And if I say kindly close the window, it means I am using kindly, it means I am requesting to that fellow. And remember, when you are using these words kindly, please, in passive, you are to remove them. I am repeating again, if you are using the words like kindly and please in passive voice, you are to remove them. So suppose if I am saying kindly close the window, it means you are requested to close the window, you are requested to close the window. Okay, if you are in angry mood and you ask someone, be off my sight, you are saying be off my sight because you are angry. It means here you are giving order to someone, you are ordered to be off my sight, you are ordered to be off my sight. So students, I will send you some of the sentences which you are to change into passive. I will send you the mix up of modal auxiliaries as well as imperative sentences. And if you have any doubt, any sort of query, you are free to contact me. Okay? Thank you.